Welcome back to Auto Review Pro, the channel where we explore the world's most exclusive, luxurious, and powerful vehicles. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, something that almost feels unreal. This is the 2026 Pagani Motorhome, a masterpiece that blends hypercar DNA with the world of ultra-luxury travel. Pagani is known for creating art on wheels, and this time they've turned their attention to a motorhome that redefines what premium mobility means. If you think motorhomes are slow, bulky, or boring, get ready, because Pagani is about to change your entire perspective. The first thing that will leave you speechless is the exterior. Every inch of this motorhome carries the same design philosophy that made the Huayra and Zonda legendary. The body is sculpted with aerodynamic curves, sharp detailing, and that signature Pagani carbon titanium material. Yes, Pagani has used lightweight carbon fiber construction even in a motorhome, reducing the weight significantly and giving it a futuristic profile that seems to glide even while standing still. The massive grille, hypercar-style headlights, and the flowing body lines create a dynamic presence that's more exotic than anything else on the road. Even the wheels look like they belong to a multi-million-dollar hypercar. The roofline is sleek, the structure is bold, and even though it's a large motorhome, the proportions are perfect, making it feel athletic rather than heavy. Around the rear, Pagani design language is even more visible. Quad exhausts inspired by the Huayra's iconic layout sit in the center, giving the back a hypercar personality no motorhome has ever had. The taillights are sharp LED units with floating elements that look like pieces of modern art. Even the rear diffuser area has carbon detailing and aerodynamic sculpting. Pagani didn't just design a motorhome, they created a mobile sculpture. Stepping inside is like entering a private 7-star suite. Pagani interiors have always been admired for their handcrafted detailing, and the 2026 Pagani Motorhome takes that philosophy to the next level. You're immediately greeted by premium Italian leather, aluminum switches machined from solid blocks, and carbon fiber panels that shine with Pagani's signature craftsmanship. Wooden flooring, ambient lighting, and hand-stitched surfaces wrap the cabin in a luxurious aura. Every corner looks like it was built for a billionaire's lifestyle. The front cockpit resembles the interior of a Pagani supercar, with analog-style art piece gauges, metallic knobs, and a steering wheel inspired by the Huayra Roadster. The panoramic windshield gives you a breathtaking view of the road, making long journeys feel like driving through a movie scene. The digital infotainment system is large, sleek, and perfectly integrated without losing the classic Pagani charm. Moving to the living space, the motorhome offers a lounge that could easily belong in a luxury yacht. There's a premium sofa, electrically adjustable recliners, and a fold-away glass table. The entertainment system includes a massive 8K television, a 3D surround sound setup, and smart ambient lighting that changes with your mood. Everything is automated, from the blinds to the climate controls, all accessible through a touchscreen panel or voice command. The kitchen area is compact yet ultra-luxurious, offering high-end appliances including a microwave oven, induction stove, smart refrigerator, and premium storage cabinets crafted from carbon fiber and polished wood. This isn't just a kitchen, it's a piece of art where every appliance blends into the design. The bedroom suite is where Pagani shows its obsession with perfection. A queen-size bed with memory foam lining, soft LED lighting, and aircraft-style storage compartments make it feel like a luxury hotel on wheels. The materials are soft, elegant, and handcrafted. You get a skylight above the bed for night sky viewing, adding a romantic and peaceful touch. The bathroom is surprisingly spacious for a motorhome. It features a rainfall shower, porcelain sink, premium fixtures, and carbon fiber detailing. Hot water, ventilation, and climate control systems ensure a hotel-grade bathing experience. Pagani clearly wanted every moment inside this motorhome to feel luxurious and unmatched.
Now let's talk performance, because this is where Pagani breaks every rule of what a motorhome should be capable of. Instead of a basic diesel engine, the 2026 Pagani Motorhome is powered by a custom-tuned AMG V8, producing approximately 630 to 700 horsepower, depending on the spec. That might sound insane for a motorhome, but this is Pagani. Acceleration is surprisingly quick, and while it's not a hypercar, it's without a doubt the world's fastest ultra-luxury motorhome. The ride is smooth thanks to adaptive suspension borrowed from Pagani sports engineering. Handling is stable and responsive, and even at higher speeds, the motorhome maintains incredible balance due to aerodynamic shaping and lightweight construction. It feels powerful, confident, and exciting, three things no one expects from a motorhome. Fuel efficiency obviously isn't the highlight here, but for the performance it offers, the motorhome remains acceptable for long-distance touring. Pagani has also integrated advanced safety technologies, including multiple cameras, collision avoidance, lane assistance, auto parking systems, and advanced stability control mechanisms. Finally, the price. As expected, the 2026 Pagani Motorhome is not designed for the average buyer. This is a luxury collectible, a machine made for the ultra-rich. The starting price is estimated between $3.5 to $4.5 million, depending on customization. Pagani is known for limited production, so the motorhome will be available only to a very small number of clients, making it one of the rarest luxury vehicles on Earth. In the end, the 2026 Pagani Motorhome is more than a vehicle. It's a masterpiece that blends performance, luxury, and exclusivity into one rolling artwork. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Auto Review Pro, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.